Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page for dropshipping. We'll start by understanding your target audience, which is crucial for tailoring your page to their specific needs and desires. Next, it's vital to focus on a single product or a very narrow niche to avoid overwhelming visitors. Remember, a fast loading speed, ideally under 3 seconds, significantly improves user experience and reduces bounce rates. Finally, clearly highlight your unique selling propositions to immediately capture attention and differentiate your offering. Now, let's dive into the essential elements that make a landing page successful. A compelling headline is your first impression, so make it count by communicating immediate value. High-quality product images or a short video are non-negotiable, as they visually engage your potential customers. Your persuasive copy should address customer pain points and clearly articulate the benefits of your product. Finally, a clear and prominent call to action, like add to cart or shop now, is crucial for guiding visitors to make a purchase. To truly boost your conversion rate, consider these optimization strategies. Incorporate social proof, like customer reviews or testimonials, to build trust and credibility. Creating urgency with limited-time discounts or offering free shipping can motivate immediate purchases. A simplified, one-page checkout process significantly reduces friction, making it easier for customers to complete their order. Remember to continuously use a /B testing to compare different headlines, images, or calls to action, aiming for incremental improvements. Finally, the journey to a high-performing landing page involves continuous analysis and iteration. Track key metrics such as bounce rate and conversion rate to understand how visitors interact with your page. Actively gather user feedback to gain deeper insights into their experience. Always be testing new elements, from headlines to button colors, to see what resonates best. By adapting your page based on these data-driven insights, you'll ensure sustained growth and maximize your dropshipping success over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.